Hi everyone, my name is Rehan. Can you guess in these country flag? Okay, let's start with number 1. You only have 3 seconds. Let's start. South Africa. Okay, number 2. Denmark. No, number 3. Okay, last one. Japan. Belgium. Let's go with number 4. Finland. The second last one. Georgia.
Japan, Jamaica,